if anything, it would ever allow us, not even see any green storage.
Warp and active pulse engines are down, sir, but they
Do you hear him snoring?
No, we don't have time for that now. Mr. Wolf, send a message to the nearest Starbase office to dispatch a crew. Aye, sir. Mr. LaForge.